Start it again, start it again. Everything's not working.
What do you mean it's not working?
Sound, are y'all okay? It's not sound.
What are we going to do? All these people are here for a concert. What are we going to do?
Well, we already gave them 2 good songs. I'm not sure. I got an idea. As y'all know, we have the best pianist in America. These people would love me to play something. Play something so we can cover. You can't?
The grand's not working either.
It's a live piano.
It's not working. I'm telling you, it's not working.
Okay. So live instruments aren't working, the digital ones aren't working. Sonia, you're gonna have to cover. Do something off the top.
What? I'm not prepared.
If we got you some instruments that did work, could you just hold us over?
I guess.
All right, someone please from the back, just find something that will work.
I don't want a lot for Christmas. I don't even wish for snow.
Snow! Get the snow machines back. Snow machines aren't working either. All right, well, just go with it.
I don't care about the presents. All I need the Christmas tree. I just want to hold my arm. Make my wish come true. All I want for Christmas is you.
That sounds pretty good. Let's just go with it,
All right,
guys.
let's just do it too.
All right, just
Taking it old school.
Well, the piano's back on.
This is not working. But I know it is working. I think it's time that we introduce the pastoral men's choir, don't you?
Mike, we talked about this. This can't happen.
Come on, Mark. You know they're good.
I've been in every rehearsal, Mike.
I don't know what rehearsals you've been in, but I think they're great.
Great? Are you sure you call it great?
Mark, you know they're good.
I'm not sure good is the word I would use to describe it. You know, we videoed one of the rehearsals. Let's take a look at it. I'll prove to you what I'm talking
All right, the
about.
production is just a few weeks away, and I have absolutely no doubt that we're going to blow them away with our talent, with our voices, with our musicality, and our pizzazz, and our... Well, let's just get started. 1, 2, 3, 4, and...
All I want for Christmas is you.
Okay, not quite what I expected after 17 rehearsals, but maybe we'll just need a few more.
That's not in the budget.
Mike, I just was wondering when you want me to do the meet and greet.
That's not in the budget either.
Let's try it again. Are you ready? From the top. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4.
Feliz Navidad.
You scream a little person touch on the song.
But that's not even the same song.
It's absolutely the same song. Feliz Navidad means all I want for Christmas.
You can look it up.
That's not in the budget.
Peanut butter, peanut butter.
No, that is the budget.
I mean, I haven't thought this all the way through, but seriously, we need to bring in Blankenship.
Oh, no. We're not bringing in Blankenship. This is our part of the show. He's got his own rehearsals going on. There's no way he's got time for us.
Hey guys, I'm sitting right here.
I actually love musicians too, but why don't we try to sing in Russian?
Guys, seriously, can we just focus for 1 minute?
We'll talk.
You gotta get control of that situation. You cannot be letting your wife determine your